Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey J babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing haul with Iseehair. I got the 3-bundle deal. This is some beautiful packaging, as you can see, by the way. Like, they really did they big one with this. So here's the package of the hair. I was so excited. I think I ordered this, what was the 12th? Yeah, I think I ordered this on the 13th. Today is the 17th. So I don't know the exact date, but it took like 5 days to come. So yeah, this is what I got. I've been waiting on this all day. It's shipped with DHL. Stay tuned because I will link the direct link to this hair in the comment sections down below. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so they gave me a lot of goodies in the bonnet or whatever. I'm going to show y'all what all they gave me. I'm so excited because it's like a lot of this. So I got a wig band. It says ISEE Beauty. It's cute. It's pink and black, but I love when they have the all black one and not the pink with the black words because it's just more low key. You can flip it around. It's cute. Next, they gave me a sleeping mask. It says Princess. Y'all, they have some really good packaging, like, and they give out a lot of gifts and goodies. It just make you want to keep ordering and ordering. And I'm a sucker for all of this. They sent their cards in here, the partner program. They got the HD wig caps. They actually sent 2. This one with a black lady and one with a light lady. But yeah, they sent 2 wig caps. Oh, different shades with one HD. Yeah, one HD and one not. So yeah. They also sent, it don't get no better than this. Look, and these not the cheap lashes, just the freaking hair companies be sending. These are some really cute quality lashes. And they say it come with 6 pair. I gotta open this to see the rest. This is cute. They sent me some lashes. Then they also sent another one of these. You know you need these, but you know they work better when they real dirty at the top. Not dirty, but you know, full product. But yeah, they sent me another one of these. I'm glad I needed one of these. And then, of course, the bonnet that I showed y'all. ISEE Princess. It's cute. I haven't tried it on. I want to mess up my hair. I'm going to try it on later. But yeah, okay, let's get into the bundles. These are the bundles. So pretty. This bag is really pretty. Nice bag to hold the hair. I got the 22, 24, and 26 inch 10A here. They got some real good packaging. Look, they even got the hair care instructions. This is the 24. Let me get the 26 first. Should I open the small one first? Hold on. Let's do it. Let me do the 22 first. But yeah, as you can see, this is straight 22 inch hair. Let's be fierce. I gotta take the rubber band off. I don't got the net on it. It's cool. Hold on, the tag getting caught. Hold on, let me fix. Ooh, they soft. They real soft, y'all. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, they soft. They got the hair care instructions. They did their big one. With all the tips. Hold on, let me stop it so y'all can see. Yes, and then they got the thank you human hair. I'm gonna do the burn test to see, because I want to know. But yeah, this is the 22. It's already down there. Let me show y'all the 26. And this is the grade 18 here. though. Would you look at that? And I really like that they got the aftercare instructions. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. So it comes right past the buttocks. But yeah, I really like it. The thing came off, but it's so silky. It got a little flyaways though, I'm not gonna lie. And this is the straight. The whips of the hair is more on the thinner side, but like I said, it's still some really good hair. It's not too thin, but you know, they more on the thinner side if you want to see all of that. But overall packaging, I give it a 10 out of 10. Like I said, it took about 5 days to come. I am really appreciative of all of these goodies. I cannot wait to try on these lashes. Like, I don't even do the strips that much as I used to, but we gonna see. These is my favorite. I can't wait to try those. But that is all for today's video. I hope you all really enjoyed this short video of me reviewing the hair. More videos coming soon. Comment down below what you would like to see from me, and I promise to get y'all some videos out, because I'll always be like, oh, I'm gonna get some videos out, and it be taking me forever. I'm not gonna lie, like the shorts is so much easier, but I want to get some longer videos out, but y'all gotta watch them and engage. But thanks for tuning in to this video. Until next time.